Hey, you know, one time when I was visiting Denmark, Copenhagen, right? And I met this girl from Austin, where the same city I was living in at the time, man. And, you know, whatever. She's a black girl with a dental assistant and shit, right? And, you know, whatever. But I talked to these other guys, they're rugby players. Rugby players from England, and they rode a train on there. And, you know what I mean? I see girls. I see girls. and one homeboy next day kept saying, "Oh my God, Dave, check out this video."